Honda is bringing new excitement to the return of the Prelude, and the latest HRC Prelude Concept shows exactly where the company wants to take its sporty hybrid coupe. Instead of creating an all-out high-horsepower version, Honda Racing Corporation focused on making the Prelude more rewarding to drive by improving its handling, aerodynamics, braking, and overall driving experience. At first glance, the HRC Prelude looks much more aggressive than the standard model. A larger front splitter, sculpted side skirts, a functional rear diffuser, lightweight performance wheels, and a prominent fixed rear wing give the coupe a race-inspired appearance. These parts are not simply for style. They are designed to improve airflow around the vehicle and add stability during spirited driving. Honda says the goal of the HRC project is to bring lessons learned from decades of motorsport into a package that owners can enjoy on public roads. Rather than chasing the biggest horsepower number, the engineers concentrated on creating a car that feels more connected every time the driver turns the steering wheel or enters a corner. Underneath the updated bodywork, the HRC Prelude receives chassis improvements developed by Honda Racing Corporation. Although Honda has not released every technical detail, the company has confirmed that the concept features suspension upgrades intended to sharpen steering response, improve cornering balance, and provide a more confident driving experience. Enthusiasts can also expect upgraded braking components designed to deliver stronger and more consistent stopping performance. One surprise is that the powertrain remains unchanged. The HRC Prelude continues to use Honda's 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine paired with a two-motor hybrid system and an electronic continuously variable transmission. Drivers will also benefit from the S+ shift system, which simulates gear changes to create a more engaging driving feel without sacrificing the efficiency of the hybrid powertrain. Many enthusiasts immediately asked whether this concept previews a future Prelude Type R. Honda has indicated that this is not the case. Company executives have explained that developing a true Type R would require an entirely different powertrain, extensive engineering work, and significant investment. Instead, Honda believes many drivers will appreciate factory-engineered upgrades that improve the driving experience while maintaining everyday reliability. The HRC Prelude also previews a new catalog of Honda Racing Corporation performance parts that could eventually become available for production vehicles. These accessories may include aerodynamic components, suspension upgrades, brake improvements, lightweight wheels, and carbon fiber trim pieces, allowing owners to personalize their cars with factory-developed equipment. The concept also demonstrates Honda's commitment to keeping sporty driving alive during the transition toward electrification. While many manufacturers are concentrating only on acceleration numbers, Honda continues to emphasize steering feel, chassis balance, and driver confidence. Those qualities have defined some of the company's most memorable performance cars for decades. The HRC Prelude concept may not be the highest horsepower coupe in its class, but it represents something many enthusiasts have been asking for: a modern sports coupe that focuses on the joy of driving. If Honda brings many of these HRC components to production, the new Prelude could become one of the most enjoyable hybrid sports cars available, while carrying forward the racing heritage that has long been associated with Honda Racing Corporation.